Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Structural Funda. Myself Ethan Kenny, and today we are going to learn about design of welded butt connection to connect the two plates of size 150 mm width and 12 mm thick as a connecting plate, and we have to design the connection for the pull strength equal to design strength of plate. So we have to use the total strength of the plate as a design load. We have given the double cover butt joint. So figure shows that plate A as a pink part and plate B is connected via butt connection, and for the butt connection we require two extra plate as a double cover butt joint indicated as yellow color as well as the blue color as top cover plate and bottom cover plate. So we have to design the welded connection for these given data. So let us go for the solution. Now first of all we have given the size of plate. So from the size of plate we can calculate the total strength of single plate as Ag Fy by gamma m0. Now gross area of single plate is 150 cross 12 mm. As a size of plate, Fy is nothing but 250 Newton per mm square and gamma m0 is 1.10, which is equal to 409.09 kilonewton. This value is the strength of single plate, say either A or B plate. So we are going to calculate the length of weld required for A plate or B plate, and according to the calculation we are going to provide the length of weld on both the plates. Now for the size of weld, let us assume size of weld for this connection as 6 mm. Hence throat thickness is K into size of weld, which is equal to 0.7 into 6 as 4.2 mm. Now we do not have the given data as fill weld or shop weld, so let us assume shop weld for the butt connection. Hence for the shop welding the design strength can be calculated by Fwn by gamma mw. Fwn is nothing but Fu by root 3 into gamma mw. Fu is 410, root 3 is constant, and gamma mw is 1.25 for the shop weld. So the design strength is 189 Newton per mm square. Going ahead for the calculation of length of weld required, our equation is Fa or Q is equal to design load divided by length of weld into throat thickness. Hence length of weld required is equal to design load divided by design strength into throat thickness. Now design load is 409.09 into 10 raised to 3 in terms of Newton. Fwd is 189 Newton per mm square and throat thickness is 4.2 mm. So total length of weld required is 5.36 mm, and it is per plate. It means for plate A and plate B. Let us go for the detailing work. For total length of weld provided as 5.36 mm per plate. First of all, observing the figure for plate A, which is connected by two cover plate at top edge and bottom edge, so we have to require total face as one at the junction of top plate, one at the junction of bottom plate at top side of plate A. Similarly at bottom side of plate A, one at the top cover plate and one at bottom cover plate. As well as we have to provide length of weld at edges of the plate as one edge and 2 edge. So 515.36 mm is provided at total 6 edges as shown in the figure. So if we say that the top cover plate is face 1 and bottom cover plate is face 2, so at both the face total 3 edges is required to connect the welded connection. So let us go for the calculation of this length of weld required. Now figure indicates the top view of face A of double cover butt joint. Now total required length is 515.36 mm per plate, and this length is for face A as well as face B. So for each face total length of weld required is 515.36 divided by 2. Hence the required length is 257.68 mm on each face. Now out of 257.68 mm we know the vertical depth, or we can say that the width of the plate as 150 mm. So at edges length of weld is 257.68 minus 150. So remaining length of weld is 107.68 mm, and this value is distributed on top and bottom. So at top and bottom remaining length is 107.68 divided by 2, which is equal to 53.84 mm. The length of weld at top and bottom on face A is 53.84 mm, while the length of weld at sides, or we can say that the edges of the plate as 150 mm. So total length of weld is 150 at edge plus 2 times 53.84 at top and bottom, and the total length is 257.68 mm on face A. Same length of weld is provided at both the face of plate B. So given figure shows the detailing of the double cover butt joint according to the required data. Thank you.